हो गया.
Okay. So Casca says that he spoke in Greek and I don't understand Greek. But those who listened to him and those who understood him, they all smiled and nodded their heads. I could tell you more news too. मैं तुम्हें और न्यूज भी बता सकता हूँ. Marullus and Flavius, for pulling scarves of Caesar's images, are put to silence. They have executed both of them because they were disrobing Caesar's statues. They were removing all the laurels given to Caesar. तो इसलिए उन दोनों को execute कर दिया गया. Fare you well. Goodbye. There are more foolery yet, if I could remember it. There was more stupidity yet. अगर मुझे याद आया तो बाद में कहूँगा. और भी कुछ हुआ होगा. Cassius, will you sup with me tonight, Casca? Will you join for supper with me, Casca? Casca, no. I am promised fourth. I am promised fourth. I have some other commitment. I have to go elsewhere. Cassius, will you dine with me tomorrow? तो फिर कल. Casca, A. If I be alive and your mind whole and your dinner worth the eating. He says yes. I am ready to dine with you if I am alive. If you still have the offer open and if your food is really worth eating. अगर तेरा फूड थोड़ा सा भी टेस्टी हुआ तो मैं आऊँगा. Cassius, good. I will expect you. So I will expect you for dinner tomorrow. Casca, do so. Farewell both. Do so. Yes, surely I will meet you tomorrow for dinner. And goodbye both of you. Who is the both?
Cassius and Brutus.
Cassius and Brutus. And he exits. Brutus, what a blunt fellow is this grown to be. Blunt यहाँ पे means dull. Blunt means dull. ये fellow कितना dull हो चुका है. He was quick metal when he went to school. जब हम स्कूल में साथ थे तो वो कितना लाइवली था. अब ये कितना डल हो चुका है. Cassius,
I am promised fourth.
I am promised fourth means I have another commitment. आज नहीं आ सकता.
एक और बार इसका भी स्टोरी.
Cassius, so is he now in execution. So he will still be in his lively spirits when he is performing of any bold or noble enterprise. अगर हम उसे कोई important या noble काम पे लगा दे तो आज भी वो उतना ही lively है जितना वो स्कूल टाइम में हुआ करता था. However, he puts on this tardy form. वो कितना भी lazy हमें अभी दिखे, कितना भी डल दिखे, लेकिन वो आज भी लाइवली हो सकता है अगर हम उसे कोई इम्पोर्टेंट काम पे लगा दें. This rudeness is a sauce to his good wit. ये जो डलनेस है, it adds spice to his words, to the excellent wit that he exercises in speaking, which gives men stomach to digest his words with better appetite. वो जानबूझ के सीरियस रहता है, वो जानबूझ के डल साउंड करता है, so that people जो उसे सुन रहे हैं वो उसे लाइटली ना ले, वो उसकी बातें प्रॉपरली सुने with a good appetite. जनरली लोग एकदम फुलिशली जब बात करते हैं तो कोई उनकी बातों को इम्पोर्टेंटली या सीरियसली नहीं लेता. तो जब वो सीरियस इसलिए रहता है so that people who are listening to him take it in good appetite, take it with a good appetite, उसे seriously ले, इसीलिए. Brutus, and so it is. Brutus कह रहा है exactly, ये तूने एकदम सही बोला. For this time, I will leave you. For now, I will leave you. Tomorrow, if you please to speak with me, I will come home to you. अगर कल हमें इसके बारे में और बात करनी है तो मैं तुम्हारे घर आऊँगा. Or if you will come home to me. या अगर तुम्हें चाहिए तो तुम मेरे घर आ जाना. And I will wait for you. And I will wait for you. Cassius, I will do so. Till then, think of the world. I will do so. Till then, think of the world यानी think of the state of affairs in Rome. ये रोम में सब क्या चल रहा है उसके बारे में सोचना. Exit Brutus. इतना कह के ब्रूटस चला जाता है. नाउ व्हाट कैसियस स्पीक्स इज द सोलिलोक्वी. ही इज टॉकिंग टू द ऑडियंस. अब कैसियस कहता है, वेल ब्रूटस, thou art noble. Remember, अब इस टाइम पे ब्रूटस नहीं है, he has left. वो कह रहा है, ब्रूटस तू एक्चुअली बहुत नोबल है. Yet I see thy honorable metal may be wrought, from that it is disposed. Yet I can understand कि तेरी ये जो नोबिलिटी है, ये जो अच्छाई है, कोई भी बेंड कर सकता है अपने नेचुरल फॉर्म से. यानी very easily your noble manners can be manipulated. तू बहुत ही easily turn हो जाता है, mold हो जाता है, किसी के भी opinion के साथ रंग जाता है. Therefore, 'tis meet that noble minds keep ever with their likes. इसीलिए ये convenient ज़्यादा है that noble people like you should have only a company of noble men. मेरे जैसे की कंपनी तेरे लिए डेंजरस है, क्योंकि हम जैसे लोग तुम्हें बहुत इजीली मैनिपुलेट कर लेते हैं. तो नोबल पीपल शुड बी विथ ओनली नोबल पीपल. दे आर लाइक मीन्स उनके जैसे. फॉर हु सो फर्म दैट कैन नॉट बी seduced, बिकॉज हु इज सो, ऐसे नोबल मैन आर वेरी easily tempted. They can easily be tempted in doing anything wrong. Caesar doth bear me hard. Caesar doth bear me hard. Caesar dislikes me. Caesar को मैं पसंद नहीं हूँ. But he loves Brutus. लेकिन वो Brutus को love करता है. If I were Brutus now and he were Cassius, he should not humor me. अगर मैं Brutus होता और Brutus Cassius होता, तो Cassius चाहे कितनी भी मर्जी कर ले, कितना भी ट्राई कर ले, Brutus चेंज ना होता. ब्रूटस सीजर के खिलाफ नहीं जाता. अगर हम दोनों एक्सचेंज हुए होते तो. I will this night in several hands in at his windows throw, as if they came from several citizens. आज रात in different handwritings, hands यानी handwritings, in different handwritings I will throw from his window some letters, as if it came from different Roman citizens. As if different Roman citizens ने ये सब लिखा है. As if they came from several citizens, writings all tending to the great opinion that Rome holds of his name. और सभी letters में से इसे यही conclusion मिलेगा कि लोग ब्रूटस के बारे में कितना high opinion रखते हैं. The Roman citizens have such high honor on Brutus, or they think of him so huge, so respectable, wherein obscurely Caesar's ambition shall be glanced at, or indirectly it will point out to Caesar's ambitious nature. कुछ भी डायरेक्ट नहीं लिखा होगा, indirectly ब्रूटस की अच्छाई और सीजर की tyranny point out हो जाएगी. And after this, let Caesar seat him sure. And after this, let Caesar be sure that वो अपनी seat, वो अपनी position संभाल के रखे. For we will shake him, because I am going to shake him from his position. We यानी all those who think like Cassius, or worse days endure. और अगर हम ऐसा नहीं कर पाए, then we will have to tolerate worse days in Caesar's rule. So let Caesar be sure to keep his position intact, because we are going to shake him from his position. Otherwise, we will have to tolerate worse days in Caesar's rule. And he exits.
Thank you so much.